Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, this is going to be a very short video, but I needed to bring this video to you guys because I wanted to give you some options on how you can create another October daily or a cute small little journal book for Halloween. I had to really bring this out and show you guys because I did get a few messages from you guys saying if I have like other ideas on how you can create a very simple with no supply kind of journal. This is my go-to, okay, when you don't have supplies. By the way, we did this book together. This is my October daily, I call it my Halloween adventure book, but it's really an October daily. I am doing some October or Halloween spreads in here. I kind of already showed you guys a little bit about this book and how I put it together. And so I really wanted to bring this particular video to you guys because if you are one of those people that don't have supply, or that you maybe don't live near a craft store, or perhaps maybe you don't want to go anywhere, you want to stay home, but you want to use some supplies that you have at home, I want to give you an idea. Take out those envelopes, my loves. We all have envelopes at home. It doesn't have to be the same shapes. It doesn't have to be the same size. Bring out all those empty envelopes that you have received through the years with greeting cards, or perhaps you have those like office envelopes. Bring them out, all right? This is a great way to make yourself a really nice October daily journal with very, very little supplies, all right? This is a little envelope, little booklet that I created for myself. I'm using this little envelope booklet as a little template to actually use to create the Halloween embellishments that we are doing. So what I did here is I have tons of envelopes, empty envelopes, and I basically just punched out 2 little holes using my punch, and basically I drew through the little hole a fun little ribbon here. I used twine, and I also used these tools from the Dollar Tree. I used that here as well. Okay, and I basically made myself a very, very simple little journal book. I'm going to use this as a record on all the embellishments that we are creating together for the Halloween series. But I thought this would be a really good idea for someone who is actually short in supplies, or maybe have like extra envelopes at home. This is great. Okay, so what I did here is I put together a few envelopes, and I basically added numbers to my envelopes at the bottom. So this is going to be project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4, 5, 6, and so on. I think I did up to 31. Actually, I did 30 and 31 here. Okay, that's an awesome way to have a nice little October daily. Okay, if you don't have supplies, or if perhaps maybe you don't have Halloween paper, or maybe you just have a whole bunch of these envelopes laying around at home, this is a great idea. All right, so for those of you who are not able to get a 3 punch ring binder, or if you don't have something similar to this that you can put together as your October daily, this is a great second option. Okay, envelopes. Put them together, punch out a hole, string through a nice little twine or ribbon, and there you go. There's an envelope, a little journal that you created literally in like a few minutes. All right, I use different colors here. I use orange, I use white. I think I kind of alternated with orange and white. because I got these envelopes from a greeting card that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And so I figured let me use these great orange envelopes as part of my Halloween series little journal book. All right, guys. I just wanted to bring this really quick video to you guys because I don't want you guys to feel that because you don't have like Halloween paper or because you don't have supplies that you can't really create these things. You could absolutely create them out of nothing. All right, my loves. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to glue down these really fun little coffin embellishments that we created on our last video. And I have two that I want to glue down here. I love this one that we created together, which says come in my pretty, and then it says here happy hunting. I'm going to glue that one down on this area right here. And I have another one that I want to glue down, which is going to be this one right here that says Hocus Pocus and Happy Halloween. I'm going to glue this one down on this area right here. And that's going to be my first little embellishment that we created together. I kind of want to keep a little track of what we've been doing together. I got a really crazy idea over the weekend and I think I'm going to just go with it. But for the moment, I don't want to share any information until I'm sure. But I want to keep track of all my embellishments that I'm going to be creating with you guys. I normally do keep track of all of them. But I really have an idea that I kind of want to go and explore, and so I need to keep track of all these things so that I can go back later and see. All right, my loves. So that is what I wanted to really quickly come out here and show you, because I don't want you guys to feel restricted on using supplies that you don't have or feel that you can't create because you don't have supplies at home. There is no such thing, okay? There is no such thing. If you don't have any stickers, then guess what? Bring out your Halloween magazine and start fuzzy cutting all these images, and that is your sticker, or that is something that you can create out of, okay? If you don't have paper, Halloween paper, well, I just gave you a great idea. Use some envelopes that you have at home, and you can create your own little journal at home. So there's always going to be ways around on how to create really fun projects. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope that this gives you ideas. I'm going to be making a nice little cover for my little journal, and I'm going to post a picture of it in Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram for more inspiration. All right, my loves, I love you. Bye.